My Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. The social economical rights and accountability wey be set up don come beg President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him set up presidential panel of inquiry to touchlight the allegation wey dem talk say dem move $15 billion of oil refinery wey be say dem talk say in dey miss from 2020 to 2021. As dem come beg am say make him mention the names of the people there wey be say dem join body take tiftalize this $15 billion of this oil refinery. The Delta State Calabar police tok person wey im name be Bright Edafe don come tok say na rumour na im people dey carry dey talk say Delta State police tok say dem go arrest any youth wey go carry dreadlock or even wear trouser wey be say don tear finish or even dey sag or even dey wear bomb short or short skirt. Say Delta State Calabar police go arrest dem. As im come out come tok say all those story wey be say dem dey hear say na fake tori na im be those ones. The Minister of Works wey be Dave Umahi don come tok say the Abuja to Lagos State road wey be say dem go do say dem go finish am for inside the year 2027. As im come tok say the road dem go do am e go dey very kakaraka and e go last reach 100 years. That one come mean say all of us wey be say we dey alive, all of us go don poof by before the road go spoil. And he yarn this talk on September 23rd, 2023 on Saturday. As im come tok say na about 470 kilometers na im be the road from Abuja to Lagos. The operative of Lagos State Traffic Management Authority wey be last man don come arrest one driver wey carry dagger take chook one last man official, and na the last man official na im arrest the bus driver say because im break traffic law. Na so the driver come provoke come use dagger take chook the last man official. This gbege happen on Sunday, September 24th, 2023. Calabar police for inside Ekiti State don come out come tok say dem don dey try dey make effort to find the 500 level student of Ekiti State University for inside Ado Ekiti wey her name be Helen Eberechukwu Okore, 23 years old, and dem talk say she don dey miss since 13th of September 2023 and dem never still see am since wey she don dey lost. Kiyama Magistrate Court wey dey for inside Kwara North Senatorial District don come sen ten ce 24 years old man to 5 years in prison wey im name be Tashiru Aminu Lulu, say because im dey use juju dey tiftalize people something and also dey beat people. Come go knack 18 years old girl kpekus by force wey the girl name be Alirat Ismaila, and on September 20th, 2023 na im force knack the girl kpekus wey make Calabar police come arrest her come carry am take go court. The Nigerian Army Night Brigade for inside the Ikeja Cantonment, Lagos State don arrest 5 people there wey be say dem be fake soldier and dem dey claim say dem be soldier. Meanwhile, dem no be soldier at all. And their name na Johnson Adeyoba, Salami Olamileko, Mohammed Biyamino, Bingo Taufik, and also Adewale Quadric. All of them na im dey arrest, and they arrest them for different places like Ojodu Bega, Ikorodu, Ogba, and Ikeja area. Na im dey arrest them differently. One pastor, Victor Greek of Zion Ark of Covenant International Church, don come try to go fast the way we say Jesus fast, as im go do 21 days dry fasting with no water and no food, wey make am e no dey fit dey waka again, even to talk e no dey fit talk again. This one come show say hunger won't finish the man of God. Plenty crowd of youth them and also the fans of the ogbonge Nigerian musician wey name be Ireloluwa Oladimeji Aloba aka Mohbad. They don come gather to come do their candlelight yesterday, Saturday, September 23rd, 2023 for inside Benin City. As they come dey sing his song, come dey dance to the music.
Like Genesis, I be dealing with frenemies. Survivor.
The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency wey be NDLA don catch 2 men wey say they carry 183 kg of Ghanaian loud as they come hide am for inside the body of the J5 motor wey say they use to carry the drugs them. But thank God with the inside eye wey National Drug Law Enforcement Agency officials they get, and so they come catch 2 of them, come arrest them.
This one is going. Why is the place black?
The ogbonge Nigerian musician wey name be Bella Shmurda and plenty other Nigerians for inside Canada, they don gather themselves to come show love and respect to the ogbonge Nigerian musician wey be Mohbad wey don poof by yesterday, September 23rd. Na im dey gather themselves take do the candlelight for inside Canada.
So I say thanks to everybody for coming out for this. God bless all of us, and as Yoruba we say, and if you were somewhere. And this person is my brother, is my guy, he's my best friend, and it's so sad. When I left Nigeria, like 3 days later, I got a call that Mohbad is dead.
Plenty people that don't come escape moving after way 2-story building fall collapse for inside Ijebu area of Lagos State. But as at when we tell the yarn this story, we never really know if anybody move my or wunjo for inside this building we collapse. Ijebu people don't come provoke, say they no go take an easy for anybody wey say they join body take my mobile as they come out to say they no go do candlelight to come go bring out the ogbonge masquerade wey be Agemo masquerade. Come bring out the masquerade as they come here and say this masquerade, they come out anyhow. So anytime we say he come out, say that one be say he won't fire give all those bad belly people that we say they do wicked things. Say now he made them take carry the masquerade take come out. So you go fit fire the people that we say they join body take my mobile. The United States Department of State don come give security advice to their citizens dem wey say dem dey for inside Nigeria, and also come tell other citizens dem say make dem no try travel go inside Nigeria say because of the crime and terrorism, civil arrest, kidnapping dem wey say dey happen for inside Nigeria, as dem come mention about 18 states dem wey say their citizens dem no suppose travel go for inside Nigeria, and dem mention Adamawa State, Yobe, Borno, Bauchi, Gombe, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Sokoto, Zamfara, Abia, Anambra, Bayelsa, Delta, Enugu, Imo, Rivers State. As I come tell their people, they say, may they not try, they travel, go all those states. Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.